The Windows XP default desktop background, known as Bliss, is perhaps one of the most well-known photographs in the world. The rolling green hills, the subtle purple mountains, the meme potential. It's such a beautiful and resonant image, so resonant in fact, that we're still hearing about it today. Every once in a while, people remember that this is a photograph, not a drawing. This place actually exists, and recently I've been seeing a resurgence in interest. Articles with headlines written as if the hill isn't in a known location pinned twice in Google Maps. Sometimes people make pilgrimages to the Bliss Hill and take pictures of it themselves. And until Apple got dumb and abstract with their wallpapers, there were groups of people who sought to find macOS default wallpapers too. But there's another iconic desktop wallpaper that hasn't been found yet, and it might be just as well known as Windows XP's Bliss. If you went to a public school in the 2010s and beyond, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The Windows 7 default wallpaper. We know a lot about the Windows XP wallpaper, who took it, when he took it, and even what camera he used. But there isn't much information about the Windows 7 wallpaper. I reached out to Microsoft, but I never heard back. What are they hiding? I started posting on forums, Facebook groups, chat rooms, anywhere that might have answers to my questions. For a while now, I've been chasing useless lead after useless lead, coming up empty-handed each time. Until one day, I got a message. I didn't have much else to go on, so I decided to go for it. I grabbed my camera and left the very same day. The journey was only made longer by my doubts and worries that I was being played like an accordion. Why would this alleged ex-Microsoft employee finally come forward with information that Microsoft clearly doesn't want the public to have? Something smelled fishy, but I continued on my journey. I had no other choice, really. My obsession compelled me to follow this lead to the end of the rainbow, or the end of the world if it came to that. But then, just 3 days after I got the message, I found what I had been looking for. It's beautiful. I had finally found the Windows 7 wallpaper. I had finally found the true meaning of bliss.